Hello everyone, I'm back with a new video. This video is about one graceful mammal in the water and it's dolphin. Actually, if you're finding something interesting about dolphins and some beef about them, this video will be a plus point for that. So, I'm going to start my briefing to the today's topic, dolphins. Dolphins are so nature-friendly, beautiful cetaceans which can be found in every ocean. Their curved mouth gives them a permanent smiling look. They have a very small teeth. While there are 36 dolphin species found so far, and most of them are marine and live in ocean or brackish water along coastlines. Some major kinds of the dolphin mammal species can further be declared as South Asian river dolphin and Amazon river dolphin or boto which live in the freshwater streams and rivers. The largest dolphin kind is orca and can grow to be over 30 feet long, while the smallest dolphin kind is Murray dolphin, which is just 5 feet long. They mainly take fish and squids as their feeds. They can track their prey by the echolocation method. Echolocation can further be declared as a built-in sonar that bounces sound waves of prey and reverse information like its location, size, and shape. In the same way, an echolocation bottlenose dolphin can make up to 1,000 clicking noises per second. Very interesting fact about them is dolphins are social animals which communicated with squeaks, whistles, and clicks. Scientists are still debating whether these dolphins have a communication language as humans do. The dolphin mammals have more than one mate and generally produce single offspring which will live with the mother up to 6 years, but it depends from the species to species. They can moreover be found as graceful and sleek swimmers which can swim with the speed more than 18 miles an hour. They are also really faithful mammal kind. They jump out of the water, possibly for fun or to communicate, so they are very playful mammal kind. As threats, dolphins are commonly hunted by people nowadays for their meal, while most threats found so far has been accidentally caused by the commercial fishing nets as well. Because of some climate changes, their primary food sources are moved deep sometimes, so it's also one of huge threats for their survival. Marine heat waves are the great incentive for this as it affects the dolphins' reproductive rates and ability to survive. At the end of this video, I should tell you that we should protect these kind mammals which hold the beauty of nature. Otherwise, immense harms will happen to nature in future. We should note that the survival of nature depends on how we protect these nature-friendly creators. Hope you enjoy the interesting facts about dolphins throughout our today video. For more videos like this, please subscribe to us and press the bell icon. We are moreover willing to bring you some topics also about waterfalls as well. So please subscribe to stay tuned with us. Thank you. Stay safe and healthy. Goodbye.